I don't have to sleep.
Oh, don't cry.
I'll start crying.
Come on, island, I'm capturing it for someone.
Island? Wrong way.
Yeah, it's Doom Island. Who wants to do it?
Whee! Are you
I'm
full?
coming to Doom Island.
Are you on Wi-Fi?
Okay, have your blue waffles there, Justin.
He's not having them anymore.
He's not having any more. Y'all can fuck off.
Y'all can suck my dick, even I'm 16. Zip the Galaxy here, it's your Wi-Fi. Friday, who wants it?
No one's saying Vicky's 16.
But if he's a fool, I'll play something else. Nah, sock on these nuts in there.
Whoa.
Hey, sock on these nuts. Jay, you're gonna let me get the rest of the kills, okay?
No.
I need 12 kills. Fuck me, nah, you wanna scrap it, yo?
What a scrap, oh, yo. Ew.
You're fucking new out, babe.
Oh, ew, Alvin.
I'll fuck up that cake.
Ali, can you hear it? Out, coat.
Did you just hit it? Did you just say it's
Yo. Yes, I just
what's that, my
it.
yo?
Feel privileged. Actually, no, don't. I don't. When I call people it, it's usually me being mean. Is it?
It.
Yeah.
I heard early. Yeah. And blocks, yeah, fucking that shit out of you. Need 10 more kills, guys, please. 10 kills. Get 1 kill and then we'll kill the rest, please. Please, I'll do anything I can on all
I'll
fours
think
and
about
I'll
it.
fucking mighty dog. Please. Please, I won't be rude to any of your friends ever again.
Oh shit.
That's
Oh,
a
what? There's
lie.
one. At the bottom of that hill.
I promise on my
Behind that hill.
negotiations.
He's burnt her? That's crazy.
Now suck on these nuts, yeah, fuck off, yo. I need 10 more kills.
Let me go find. Please. Oh, shooting up there.
Please, Galaxy, please.
I'm just gonna go find them.
Wish I had the fucking Iron Man boots, yeah.
No way they're all the way over here.
Please,
Well, I found them. There's a whole, there's 4 of them.
Please, Sarkon.
What? What?
Yeah, kill my kill, Sarkon.
Okay.
Wait, what's
Oh
your
my god, there's heaps of them!
Sarkon.
Hurry up before they kill each other. They're all bots.
Please move.
Can I just damage them?
Connie's nuts out, go away.
He's gonna kill the last one. Go find more.
Sarkon, go away, please. I need 2 more.
What the fuck is going on in here?
Oh no.
God damn.
We are trying to steal everyone's skill.
No, I need 2 more, please. Just 2.
Now we will see about that.
Yeah, I found them. 3. 4. Last squad. Last squad.
Who's Jelly Rill as well?
80,
Man, I'm
113.
killing that. Don't be rich at that poo ass stink undies.
Got him. Thanks for the follow, Lucy. Okay. Yay, what's up, follow? Can I kill?
Fuck you, a real person.
Hi, Lucy. Hi, Zola. How are you? Hey.
Me last kill.
Squad at the moment.
Ah.
What in the fuck is that? Ooh! Ooh! That is ugly as fuck.
You're fucking ugly, yo.
You're fucking ugly. That is so
ugly.
gross. What the fuck was that? Oh. Oh. Oh.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Ooh, ow.
Ooh, ow.
Ooh, ow.
You're fucking I'm
You
getting
say
off there.
I'm a play festival two's got a free spot. Who's getting off?
Me.
I can jump off.
Ew.
Come on,
Thank
Andy,
you for the
Mike.
game.
Yeah,
Wifey.
you wish ya.
Wait, what?
I'm joking.
Alright.
I'm joking.
I invited my wifey.
Alright, well, I'm not leaving.
Oh my god, happiest I've heard Looney. Want a bit?
Okay, I have to go actually. I have to go now.
Okay, thank you for the games, Khan.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Suck on these nuts.
Oh,
Okay, bye bye.
Where the
bye.
slack on?
Your dick.
Sure, Hori.
Oh, you've got the gummy here.
Sure, Hori.
Wait, I have to listen to the voice message.
Alright, I'm getting off there. A little faggot.
Letter.
Faggot.
It's about fucking dawn.
What's up, brother?
What's up, brother?
Did he just turn his game off? Did you just turn your game off? Motherfucker. Justin! Justice! Good night, Hori. Have a good sleep. Fun star. Buttercup. Come here.
He's eating his blue waffles.
Well, he can stop eating his blue waffles and jump on the fucking game in that spot. No.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Handy Muck, how are you?
Come on to the you beekeepers.
Very demure. What? Hang on. Wait, I need to mute this.
What in the fuck did you send me, Graf? Get off of Twitter, you fucking weirdo.
Oh, Twitter's got some disgusting shit on it.
Yeah, he just sent me a fucking screen recording of something fucking disgusting.
Oh shit!
Actual dickhead.
Mute this so that Lily doesn't hear her own voice.
Griff, you're out the gate. You're out the gate, cunt. You're fucking out the gate.
It's on Tuesday. Oh, now I got all of them. Yeah.
He was messaging me.
Hmm?
Rock the world in sunshine. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven.
Don't you dare. Don't you dare. It's not Sunday. It's not Sunday anymore.
Let's just say our
Even on
daily
Sunday, we don't
bread.
pray. What the hell?
If we forget those.
Oh, look at this man.
E tomato matoi te rangi.
Let's go see if Rusty Moore wants to get on his knees and satisfy this dog.
Ooh, he might.
Ah! I see my. Okay, of course they're in there. Fuck me.
Satisfy the dog out, bro.
Okay. Don't be nice to the movie.
Rusty. Hiding my kitty kai.
151 is not a movie.